guys, kembali lagi bersama Tenggo dan pasukan boneka di konten Onge TV. Mas Tenggo, iya Jo. Ini kita masuk konten Onge TV lagi. Iya dong, aduh kangen banget Tenggo nih. Udah lama banget gue nggak ngeliat cewek-cewek. Jadi udah siap belum Ren Jo? Udah siap dong. Wah jangan lama-lama Tenggo. Tar dulu sabar. Sebelum dimulai jangan lupa untuk subscribe dan nyalain lonceng notifikasinya. Dan sebagai bentuk support kalian, jangan lupa untuk like, komen, dan share video nih. Tar dulu Mas Tenggo. Jangan lupa untuk follow akun Instagram @Tenggo Wicaksono biar tahu kalau ada video baru yang Mas Tenggo Bang Randy. Betul. Ya udah kalau gitu langsung kita masuk ke videonya. Let's go. Ya. Wait. Okay, wait. I'm gonna sing a song for you.
Okay.
What kind of song do you like?
You sing in Korean?
Like I don't know Korean song that much, but
Okay.
I mean like I can sing this song for you. 책임은 없이 나게는 사라지고 이쯤에도 I can't let you go 그 말이던 기억이 한마디만 남기고 후회한 영원히 let me know 그래 날 솔직하게 정말 할래 내는 마음 온통 사람 온통 곳에 몇 번 쓰기를 뭐 하는지 너 생각해 Lost without you baby I wish you would love me again No I don't want nobody else I wish you could love me again
Wow.
Very beautiful. Thank you.
Thank you. I'm in love with you.
Thank you as well, thank you so much. So let me know, what are you? Who are you?
We are from Latvia. I'm Melissa.
I'm Julia.
My name is Tenggo.
Tenggo.
Yeah. So like what?
So-
Yeah, what?
What?
You first.
Yeah, I mean like I just want to know like what are you doing here?
Oh. Okay.
We just sit and looking for nothing. Actually,
Looking for nothing,
yeah.
but you found something here.
yeah. Something beautiful with beautiful voice.
Don't you hesitate. Put your record on.
Yeah. How old are you?
Oh, this is the good question. Let's guess.
Don't lie.
Yeah, guess.
27.
Is that easy to guess me?
So really, 27?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Like I
Yeah.
will be 27 on this December.
Your zodiac sign?
Sagittarius.
Leo, girl.
Oh, both of you.
Fire signs. No, I'm Leo and Libra.
But I don't know which one are matched with Sagittarius.
And Aries, Sagittarius, and Leo, this is fire sign. And
Oh! And what about with Libra?
and Libra too.
Oh, so we
Yeah.
can do it, three of us.
You have so good talent. You need to share with people.
Maybe after you say that, I will think about it.
Yeah, it's a really good idea. Can you sing another song, please?
Oh yes.
You have beautiful voice.
Really? Yeah.
My pleasure. Wait, my pleasure. This is my favorite song.
How you do this?
I'm just dying.
With closed mouth.
I'm gonna cry.
By the way, my name is Jojo.
Jojo.
Okay.
It's very fun.
Good, like, have you met with handsome guy here?
No.
No.
Oh, maybe this time it's so good for my brother.
Yeah.
Brother, come here, brother. Yeah, what, Jojo? Now, I'm talking with Latvian girls, and she's so pretty. Oh, are you sure with that? Oh, like, kids never lies. Oh, yeah, kids never lies, Randy.
If you could see I'm the one who understands you've been here all
Oh, my God.
You belong with me. You belong with me.
Jojo, can you go to sleep? Oh, why? Yeah, because this is my time to get these girls. I want to talk with them too. No, it's my time. Your time is already done, okay? Oh, this is so cute.
You are cute.
Hey, hold on. Reload the team.
You are cute. Your hairstyle is so amazing. I'm obsessed with this.
Yeah. Like, it was like this before. But when I saw
Do like
you...
this. You can do like this. Yeah. Very nice. You need to go to sleep?
No. How can I sleep when my roommate is in Latvia?
She lives in the sky tonight, all in one night. She just went to heaven and back.
Hey, teach me how to say something in Latvian.
Labdien. This means hello. Labdien.
Latvian,
Labdien. Right. Visu labu.
visu labu.
Yeah. This means
Close.
bye.
Es tevi mīlu.
Es tevi mīlu.
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 I love you.
I love you too.
Don't get me dirty. Talk about me. Love me.
We know actually Russian. Yeah, we
Okay.
speak Russian. Yeah. Привет.
Привет.
Привет. Как дела?
Хорошо.
Окей.
Окей. Окей.
Как тебя зовут?
Меня зовут Юля.
Юля.
Меня зовут Мелиса.
Мелиса. Меня зовут Рэнди.
What?
Stop. You joking? Why?
Ya Allah, Tenggo. Kok bisa sih kesekip? Aduh, kan susah nyari yang kayak gitu. Gimana gue tahu? Gue nggak ngapa-ngapain, Randy. Kayaknya itu bukan kesekik deh, Gang Randy. Nah, terus kenapa? Kayaknya mereka tuh takut soalnya Agang ada taringnya tuh dua. Hah, ini gigi gue asli. Oh, dikirain taring. Kayak fangkir. Hah, kayak fangkir lagi. It's one flight. We be in the same time zone.
Bang Tenggo.
Oh, halo. Kamu langsung panggil, jangan gini dulu. Ntar aku skip gimana?
Oh shit. Aku ketemu akhirnya.
Akhirnya? Kok akhirnya?
Aku huge fans di Om TV konten.
Oh, terima kasih ya. Kamu siapa nama kamu?
Aku namanya Ine.
Ini orang mana, Nek?
Sekarang di Balikpapan, aslinya Dompu, bapaknya orang NTT.
Dompu tuh daerah mana ya?
Oh, Dompu Nusa Tenggara Barat.
Oh, Dompu NTB. Terus mama NTT.
Iya, bentar-bentar aku mau foto.
Ayo kita foto.
Pinjam HP nih. Bapakku.
Kenapa bapak kamu kenapa?
Oh, jadi sesak nafas aku.
Oke. Tarik nafas dulu ya. Tarik nafas dulu ini.
Bapakku ngefans banget sama Bang Tenggo.
Oh iya. Waduh, mana? Aduh, papanya mana?
Bapaknya di rumah, ini aku lagi nginep di rumah teman.
Ya, sini.
Oh my god. Mau nangis.
Jangan nangis, sayangku. Ini umur berapa, Nek?
17.
Oh, nikah umur berapa?
Ini Kak,
Oh, belum ya?
belum cukup umur.
Oh ya enggak kakan, pokoknya aku nungguin kamu ya ini ya.
Bapak lihat ini, Pak.
Halo Ong, Nindar, yang mana rekam dulu? Telepon bapaknya.
Telepon Bapak enggak bisa, sekarang HP-nya dipakai.
Itu handphone siapa?
Ini HP-nya teman. Bentar ya, Ani, aku videoin dulu. Aku harus videoin banyak. Aku mau pamer ke bapakku. Bapakku suka banget nonton konten Ome TV.
Lucu banget. Salam buat papanya ini ya.
Pertama dibilangin aku, kenapa sih suka terus nonton Ome TV? Padahal itu kan berguna untuk belajar bahasa.
Oh iya, terus?
Aku pas di SMP benci banget sama bahasa Inggris, tapi gara-gara nontonin konten Ome TV ya jadi suka. Semuanya setiap ada konten baru aku nontonin. Oh, jaringannya.
Halo? Oke, hai.
Aku Tenggo Korea.
Hah?
Hot dog.
Hot dog?
Yeah. Where are you from?
Indonesia.
Dengan lumpia.
Lumpia?
You know lumpia?
Oh, how do you know lumpia?
Siyempre, because I'm Filipino.
Oh, so in Philippines there are lumpia?
Yes.
Anong pangalan mo?
My name is Richard.
Oh, Richard. Oh,
Yeah.
good.
Good.
How about you?
Yeah.
Tenggo.
Tenggo. Ningnan neng.
Ning nang neng wala minang swang.
Oh, yeah.
Can you sing it for us?
Maybe I can sing for you another song.
Yeah.
So with guitar or with what?
With
you want?
guitar,
Oh,
acapella.
Oh, yeah. That's good.
Oh, thank you.
Good. Salamat in Filipino.
I know.
I love you, Habibi.
Oh my god, what is that?
Okay.
Fly me to the moon.
I love you.
What is that?
Let me play among the stars. Let me see what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars. In other words, oh, you are drunk.
No.
What?
Picnic only.
What are you drinking?
Juice.
You know Pansit Canton? Wala na.
Ku benar sayang.
Man. Chill.
Asli iya nyanyi tuh bang, ini yang itu cuk. Siapa sih namanya? Iya, ada itu di TikTok. Siapa sih?
Masa lupa?
Ya Tenggo, Tenggo. Gila sih. Halo bang.
Halo, ini kok belum pada tidur sejam 1?
Kita lagi nyari boneka kakak mana?
Mau kakak mana? Kamu aja lupa namaku siapa, nyari aku.
Aku bang. Iya. Lupa namanya.
Kamu ini tinggal di mana?
Kita orang Sulawesi, tapi lagi stay di Jogja.
Oh, ini semua Sulawesi nih?
Iya.
Sulawesi mana?
Sulawesi Tengah.
Di?
Di Palu tau nggak?
Aku waktu itu pernah ke Palu 2 tahun lalu.
Mantap, Bang.
Ke Donggala. Ini ngapain sih pada nutupin mulut pada bau apa gimana? Semua begini.
Anjay.
Aduh ya Allah.
Kok nggak nyanyi, Bang? Nyanyi dong, Bang.
Nyanyi dong. Oh, nyanyi lagu apa? Lagu apa?
Ayo lagu apa ya? Jaga hati mana?
Aduh, jangan lagu yang sekarang aku nggak tahu.
Emang doyan banget. Keren banget. Bisa gitu sih?
Kenapa sih nanya-nanya? Aduh.
Kok bisa sih anjir? Kok bisa gitu sih?
Ya, kasih yang nggak bisa buat kamu sayang.
Anjir lah.
Kata gue teh.
Aku tuh suka nonton kamu di ini. Di mana ya kemarin? Aku TikTok. Iya di TikTok. Kamu kan seksi semua. FYP.
Oh. Kalau aku nggak suka sama video aku.
Lah, kok nggak suka sih?
Soalnya aku sukanya sama kamu. Iya. Aku punya kantun.
Apa?
Ngakan semutih sama jengkol. Hai cutie, kapan kita video call? Iya. Kapan jadinya kita video call? Hah?
Boleh aja kalau kamu mau.
Ya berarti aku minta nomor kamu lah.
Modus.
Ya daripada aku minta nomor rekening.
Ya nggak apa-apa. Boleh.
Ya masalahnya aku kere, nggak punya duit.
100.
Kenyum 100.
Wah, masa nggak punya duit? Ya kamu lucu sih. Kantong Doraemon.
Aduh, ya wes lah, aku jalan-jalan lagi ya. Nih videonya ngeblur lagi.
Oke, Kak.
Sehat-sehat semua ya.
Iya, sehat-sehat juga kakak.
Bye-bye. We can lead it greatest thing. Hi.
Oh, he's kind of cute.
Hi, what are you singing?
Do you know history from One Direction?
Oh, no, I don't know that.
Okay. but I mean, like, do you know about One Direction?
Oh, yeah, sure.
Okay.
I know them, yeah. Like, I listened to some songs. I wasn't like a hardcore fan.
Me too. But like, some songs are good to listen.
Oh, yeah. I like Kiss You.
Oh my.
Oh yeah, that one was one of my
And then Story of My Life. Story of My Life.
I
Take
know.
it home. Very nostalgic.
But what song do you like right now?
It's movie by a Korean singer named Juni.
I think like he is in Europe too, right?
Yes, I saw him like a couple of days ago.
Yeah,
I went to his concert. He's great.
Okay. How
And he has
old
a
is
great
he?
voice. He is 1996.
Yeah, because I mean, like me and Juni is a friend.
Oh, really?
Oh, you're friends?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
He's Juni and I'm July.
Please.
No, I'm joking.
God. Oh,
Hey, wait, what's your name?
Laura.
Oh, Laura.
Yes, I'm Italian. Laura. Oh, right. What's your name?
My name is Tenggo.
Tenggo.
Yeah.
Where are you from?
Indonesia.
Indonesia. Do you know
Who?
Naki?
Oh, Naki. Oh, of course, I know him.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, I'm talking like a week ago. And,
really?
And he was like, "What do you do?" And I sing, and I like to sing, and I'm studying singing. And he was like, "Well, sing something." And I sang. And then I gave him my Instagram, and like I got 1,000 people. He got 1,000 people to follow me, and I was like, "What?" Yeah.
So, Laura, you study about music?
Yeah, I study singing.
Ooh,
Yeah.
let's try, Laura. Let's try. I want to hear it. Because you study about that, you must be really
Well,
good
yeah,
at that.
I think I'm decent, okay? I've been studying for a while. I think I'm all right. What song do you want to hear?
English song. What song that you
You
get?
know Kill Bill?
Let's do it, Laura. Let her cook.
Ah. If I can't have you, no one should. I might kill my ex. Not the best idea. His new girlfriend's next. How'd I get here?
Ooh.
I might kill my ex. I still love him though. Rather be in jail than alone.
You're really good. Oh my god.
I don't know. Come on.
But,
Now you sing me something.
but I mean, like now, like I'm with my teacher, like singing.
Okay.
Maybe he can help me. So I will do like a trio.
Okay.
Do you know Charlie Puth?
Oh, which one? Which one?
Done for me.
What you thinking? You think that you could be better off with somebody new? No, baby, no. You say you're leaving. Well, if you wanna live there, and nobody's stopping you. No, baby, I won't beg for your love. Won't say please. I won't fall to the ground on my knees. You know I'll give you everything, baby, honestly.
What?
Baby, honestly, I love for you, baby. Die for you, baby. Cry for you, baby. Go tell me what you've done for me. For you, baby. Only you, baby. Things I do, baby. Go tell me what you've done for me.
Amazing trio. Wow.
Thank you so much, Laura.
Oh my god. Oh. Good. Bravo. Bravissimo.
Grazie.
That's good. That's right. Grazie.
Yeah. Because I used to learn Italy.
Really?
Yeah.
Do you remember anything?
No.
Because I'm just 7 years old.
Oh, that's okay. So you have a short memory. It's
Yeah,
all right.
something like that. I'm so sorry. But I think
It's okay.
I know something. Oh really? What is that, Tiango?
Ti amo. It's I love you.
I love you too.
Jojo, you just 7 years old.
I'm just telling the truth to Laura. Because I love your voice. I love your... Oh, you're a really good person.
Thank you. You're very good at singing.
Thank you.
But Laura, have you ever seen this?
I mean, I've seen it, but not on here.
Ah.
It's so fun. It's amazing.
You know why I have a good voice?
Why?
Because we have singing teacher, right? Yeah.
That makes sense. That makes sense. Yes, yes.
Okay, what are you talking about?
Yeah, I mean, like, I just tell Laura that we have singing teacher.
Because you're my singing teacher, right? Yeah, I am.
Oh, good teacher. Good teacher, because the voices are very, very good.
Wait. Who is that talking with us?
Oh, her name is Laura.
Hello, teacher. I respect all the teachers. I also have a singing teacher, so...
Oh, yeah. Now, I want to be your teacher, too.
My teacher, sure.
And then I will
Thank
teach
you.
you how to fall in love with me. You're a singing teacher, Randy, not kind of that.
Maybe you're a bit old for me. I don't know. If you're a teacher.
I mean, like, are you okay with younger?
Younger? How young are we talking here?
We just different, like, 5 years.
5 years? 22?
I am.
Oh, you're a teacher at 22. It's impressive.
Yeah, I know that.
What? Oh. All right.
So, Laura,
Yeah.
do you watching football?
Nah.
Oh, really?
I know I'm Italian, but I don't really care about it.
But you know, Laura, I think you're a football player.
Football player? Why?
Yeah, because you are the one who can make my heart messy.
What are these pickup lines? Goodness Christ.
Yeah, do you know Messi?
Messi, yeah.
Sure. No, it's not Messi, it's Ronaldo.
Sure. That's another one.
Do you still single now?
Yeah, I guess.
Yeah, Tenggo, it's a good news for me. Yeah.
There's a bit of a distance problem here, though, you know? Because different continents, you know?
No, it's not a problem.
There's not a problem.
Yeah, because
okay.
like you know, I am a singing teacher. I get a lot money. I made them pay me like for a course. It's like 1,000 euros.
Ooh.
Yeah.
That's a lot, you know? I don't think I can afford it.
No, for you it's free, honey. Good. There's one thing. I will still give you free until you were gone.
That's so funny, though. How long have you been doing this? 5 years? Wow.
I'm still going. Laura, I am a YouTuber too. Naki,
Oh.
the guy who told me you, is my friend.
Oh, you're... Wait, are you live streaming
No,
right now?
I'm just recording. Is it okay?
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, it's okay.
Thanks, God.
What?
Because you know, Laura, it's really hard to find people to talk in here.
That's true.
Yeah.
Yes.
But you know, Laura, like, I'm not only doing this, I am a drawer too. I can draw.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Can I see?
Oh, no, I mean, like, I can draw you.
Really? Right
Yeah.
now?
Yeah.
Wait. Let me...
No,
I'm ready.
you're good. Don't worry. But I'm so sorry if it's not okay, but I will try to draw you.
Listen, drawing like on the spot someone else, it's already amazing.
Okay.
You know? Do I have to stay still?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, your hair is like that. Okay. Do you have A-bags? Just a little bit. Okay, I will put your A. Most of them really like when I draw them.
I think that's cap.
But I don't know with you. Are you really like it or not? Just.
I think I will like it.
Oh, really? Okay. Are you ready to see?
I'm ready. I'm ready. Oh! What? The eyebrows are on point.
Only the eyebrow, right? I'm so sorry. Yeah, I try my...
No. It's okay. It's perfect. What? I was saying, where are the eyes? There they are.
I mean, okay. I look so beautiful. What do you mean?
It's perfect. Spot on.
Hey, yo, what the?
So, what's your name?
My name is Laura.
Oh, your name is Laura.
Yeah, because I'm her.
Okay, you're her. I'm so sorry.
You know, I actually have a twin sister, so there it is.
So,
Yes.
what's your twin name?
Claudia.
Oh, are you Claudia?
No, I'm Laura.
Oh, yes, Laura. I'm so sorry. But I think like you're really good singer, Laura.
Yes, I am.
Do you wanna sing for me?
No, I don't want to.
She's a bit rude. She's rude.
But I am beautiful.
Yeah, I know you're beautiful.
You're very beautiful. Very
Thank you
beautiful.
so much, my twin.
So okay.
The hair is luscious.
Wait. I have to. What's that? Erase it.
Oh.
Do you wanna get erased?
I don't want.
Oh. Okay, I will put you.
I'm okay. I'm fine. Kinchana. Ding, ning, 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 ning. Ku menahan rasa sakit. Rasa sakit.
Entah siapa yang salah, keskik terus. Gue udah frustasi dah, Tenggo. Udah nggak tahu lagi, Tenggo. Kesekik terus. Oh, tadi itu gue sengaja, Randy. Lah, lu yang nyekik. Iya, emang kenapa? Ngakain lu sekik, ha? Kasian itu anak orang udah sawan ngeliat lu.
Gimana Jo video kita kali ini?
Wah, bagus nggak sih? Aku suka banget.
Kalau lu Randy?
Aduh, Tenggo bingung, gue sedih banget. Semuanya kesekik. Aduh. Udah nggak kakak Gang. Mungkin Gang hari ini bukan keberuntungan Agang. Iya kali Jo ya. Tapi kayaknya mereka takut deh Gang. Hah? Kenapa emang Jo? Ya kan Halloween udah lewat. Terus Agang kenapa ngasih kakek topeng monster? Hah? Maksud lo apaan? Oh ini asli Gang. Iya nih muka gue asli. Oh, oh kira monster. Dikatain monster gue. Emang iya Teng gue serem.
Iya. Terima kasih buat teman-teman yang udah nonton video kita kali ini.
Semoga kalian semua terhibur. Sampai jumpa di video selanjutnya. Dadah.